The steep is actually so high that I'm already tired. Okay, this looks like an underground passage, completely a star shape. If I want one, I'll get two. Okay, one of the fishes which I haven't tried yet. Getting all the luggage back into the bike is a bit taxed though. So this is a place which we stayed. It's a decent budget room that you will get over here. It's called Srinivas Residency. But the thing over here is that you have a safe place to park your bike, so that is also very important. Some places you actually don't get parking space. So make sure that you always check out a hotel which has a better parking space. At least it has to be safe and it has to be under the control. So from here we're gonna go towards Manjarabad fort and try to go explore a little bit of the Shirdi Ghat end, and from there we're gonna check directly back to Bangalore. So this is our plan as of now. The fort was named Manzarabad, which also means beautiful sight. I think everyone is beautiful. Chalo, let's go up then. Okay, this is all the way. We need to trek all the way to the top to reach the site. I think it's gonna take some more time to go all the way up. The steep is actually so high that I'm already tired. Oh my god. After rainy season only it feels good. Really want to sit inside. No. Kinda like a small dungeon. Yeah, but it's actually cold. It's quite cold inside. Too hot over here, man. I'm already sweating. We're trekking all the way up. Okay, this is finally the entrance. The moment you trek all the way up, you can actually see all the Western Ghats, which I'll show you in a moment. This is basically the bathing well. So Tipu used to bath here apparently. Not him, but his soldiers. Okay, this is basically in the form of star. You won't get to know from here, but if you fly a drone or something from a satellite view, it's a star. Pretty interesting, right? Okay, this looks like an underground passage. I think we'll just go in and check it out. Quite spooky though. Place to rest, ಅಲ್ಲ? Okay, that's ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Okay, this is again a small place to hide maybe. This is a place where people used to take hide from enemies or something like that. Small hideout. So let me just show you across. This looks like a small places where people could stay. Oh yeah, look at the algae. Lush, illuminant green. Quite beautiful, isn't it? I think if you come in summers you won't see this, but post rains This place actually gets quite beautiful. So the entire structure that you see behind is completely a star shaped. If you go across, yeah, from here it starts, it goes all the way towards the other end. Yeah, and if you see on the other side, it's completely the Western Ghats. Such a fascinating view, guys. So if you notice this, this small kind of a dome is present on each edge, the formation of a star. So over there, there, and here. The main reason of this dome is that I'll show you in a moment. So as we are passing in, okay, it's quite narrow. So this used to be a hideout where you can, if there's any sort of enemies coming over from this side or any side, you can attack from here. So this is the main functioning of the dome, and it's present at each corner so that from each end people have the view to check what's happening in and around. Neil, jump from there. Oh, the decent boy is coming. As decent one would expect. How's the view there? Nice, huh? Here comes the easy part, which is a downhill. Stepping down is so easy. The famous Mangalore buns from Mangalore. Okay, this is something that one has to try if you guys are present over in Mangalore. It's a little sweet delicacy, but for the ones who love it, you guys can go for it, but it's a must try for anyone who's trying for the first time. This is one kind of a drink that is only available near Western Ghats. So it's kind of made of kokum, if I'm not wrong. But one has to try this. This is so yum. Only Neil can like half of it. I like the full, so 2 for me. If I want 1, I'll get 2. Which was the dialogue? Anna, idu nenantara? Adu kokum tara kokum alla idu. It actually tastes good. It's little that Arabic grape pulp taste. Okay, we just had a breakfast here, quite a late breakfast, and we're going to figure out a couple of falls on en route to Kerde. Let's go. What you see here, if you take a left, it will go all the way to Kurg, Madikeri. So if you take a right, it's straight, goes towards Bangalore. That is water stream. Pure monsoons, you come here, it's completely foggy. This entire place becomes fogged up. Right now, post monsoon, everything is like pitch perfect greenery over here. Look at the altitude and look at the trees, how huge they are. Trees are very huge. Small descent of the garden. So this is one water flowing area. waterfalls road. No, mundena. This one only. ಚಂದನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. One of the waterfall we found on the way in Shirdi Ghat. This is cool. We just trekked all the way from here. Shoes won't do a job, so make sure that you drop your items and just go up barefoot. These are pretty niche places. You wouldn't get to know. I just enjoy the stream. Left Sakleshpur quite some time and we have reached Hassan at the toll gate. I think another 2 hours, 2.5 hour journey back home. So let's hit. The highways are quite boring anyways, so let me just straight get back home. Mutton biryani. What is this? Yeah, country chicken fry. Fresh veggies, which is cucumber. To India mean chicken biryani, and this is gravy. This is the end product. Musur bhaji or raita. So it's pretty much traditional Karnataka food, Nati style. This is Kollur fish. Kollur fish, alla idu. One of the fishes which I haven't tried. Let me try this and see. Yeah, finally back home after Hassan started completely raining. So one way I'm a little sad leaving this place back. I really wish I would stay for a long period of